What if you had bought Ethereum when it still cost a few dollars or cents? Specifically, on October 19th in 2015, ETH cost only 43 cents. If you had spent a little more than $100 buying ETH at that time, you could be a millionaire today. That's what we call the power of getting in early, buying a coin before it is on most investors' radars. That is why we decided to make our list today only with Altcoin Gems. But what exactly are these Altcoin Gems? And could they make you a millionaire? Gem is a term for relatively unknown low-cap coins that have immense potential. Most of these gems are cryptos about to be launched or that have just been released. And that's the case of the coins we'll show you today. Among them are what some experts call the new Ethereum and the new completely decentralized social media, respectively the first and last coin in our list. Buying these coins while they are unknown to the majority of people can be a life-changing decision. So let's get right to the point of today's video. Number 1. PulseChain. PulseChain is a new blockchain-based cryptocurrency ecosystem that claims to offer significant improvements over Ethereum. Moreover, the launch of the PulseChain platform is claimed to be the largest airdrop or initial distribution in the history of blockchain. The PulseChain project is led by Richard Hart, who was also involved in the Hex project. In essence, PulseChain is an Ethereum hard fork that creates faster transaction times and lower fees. That's why many people call PulseChain the new Ethereum. But of course, it will be more energy efficient, faster, and cheaper than Ethereum. PulseChain's official cryptocurrency is PLS and is designed as a deflationary asset by using a burn mechanism. Moreover, PulseChain has stated that it also wants to decrease the burden on the Ethereum network and has no intention to kill or directly compete with it. PulseChain also reduces block validation times from 12 seconds to 3 seconds, which will greatly benefit projects that launch via PulsePad, which we're going to talk about later. In conclusion, PulseChain is significantly faster and cheaper than Ethereum and similar competitors, while also providing a deflationary asset to enhance potential value. In a way, PulseChain is everything Ethereum tries to be, but struggles to achieve due to its congested network and its own limitations. Number 2. PulsePad. With a sellout anticipated, PulsePad is bringing a game changer to smart contracts. PulsePad is a new launchpad protocol that enables operations for the Ethereum network via PulseChain, which we just talked about before. There are 3 aspects that make PLS-Pad, its native token, so promising for this month. Let's move on to each of them now. First, PulsePad assists developers more than the Ethereum network already does. All of the assets and tokens launched via PulsePad will work with PulseChain. Their features together provide a safe, efficient space for developers to test their applications before going live. Second, PulsePad can be Bluezilla's new massive success. Bluezilla is an incubator responsible for various successful pads such as GameZone, ETHPad, AdaPad, and many more. Many Bluezilla incubated projects have seen a 100, 200, or even 300 times return on investment. The Bluezilla team usually sees a minimum 100 times ROI, which is more than most startups can say. Bluezilla's most recent launch was the Cardano-based AstroSwap decentralized exchange. Early backers saw a 330 times return on this DEX token purchase, with the potential to grow still weeks later. Compared to other blockchain incubators, Bluezilla has a staggering success rate, so there are solid chances that PulsePad will be one of the many successful projects launched by this incubator. And third, a revolutionary launch for dApps. Following in the steps of ETHPad and its fellow projects, PulsePad aims to be the next big space for developers to build and test their dApps, while also providing an area in which they can thrive. In addition to these aspects, we should note that PulsePad is a deflationary launchpad, meaning that the total number of PulsePad tokens will be lowered over time. All projects within the PulsePad ecosystem must commit to these deflationary rates, benefiting the ecosystem of token holders. By putting every developer on the same deflationary playing field, PulsePad can remain a valuable utility token for interacting with the various assets within the launchpad. And the more value in PulsePad, the more payout early investors and developers receive during a token sale. New projects will enjoy top-tier marketing, promotional assistance, and even some consulting services to stand out from competitors in return for their commitments. Basically, we can say that PulsePad was already born as a great project to believe believe in. Number 3. BitOrbit. BitOrbit is one of the great hypes of the market in early November. It was scheduled to be launched on November 2nd, and those who are looking for high returns should pay attention to it. BitOrbit is a next-generation social media that has a better system totally decentralized so that users can maintain their freedom of opinion responsibly. The philosophy used by the team's project is, and we quote here, that ownership of personal data belongs to each user, community-based power, and almost no unilateral authoritarian decisions. BitOrbit is made up of 3 components: account, chat, and content. By uniting these things, the idea is to create something similar to Telegram, but powered by blockchain technology. BitOrbit can also be considered as a privacy-preserving social media platform, being based on the Veles blockchain. It includes a passwordless solution that allows users to seamlessly interact with the decentralized apps and content creators, and also includes a built-in wallet that can be used for creating trading platforms and directly interacting with consumers. Plus, it also features decentralized applications called microapps and a built-in video feed, all powered by Veles. In this social media, as a content creator, you can monetize your content by letting your followers support you. According to BitOrbit's official website, they built BitOrbit for the influencers who want to generate more revenue from their content. To get started, simply just add a link to your preferred social media. When your community follows the link, they will be prompted to pay for your exclusive content. BitOrbit will be available to download for Android and iOS, facilitating the adoption for everyone. The project is promising, as are its fundamentals, and the best part, it has just been released. You're early to the party, and if BitOrbit is the kind of investment that fits in your portfolio and your investment strategy, well, welcome to the most profitable November you've ever had. Alright, that's all for today, guys. Always remember that none of this information should be taken as investment advice. This video was made to be the starting point of your research, not the final answer of what asset you should buy. We aren't financial advisors, so do your own research and trade safely. If you've enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe and turn on post notifications to be up to date about everything in the crypto market. Also, check our gifts and bonuses in the description to invest in crypto with the best market conditions. Thanks for watching, and I'll be waiting for you in the next video.